doing, you dumbass? You fucking idiots. Dumbass, that's a fucking turning lane. Ah, police pulling you like. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. Oh shit!
Yeah, shit is a good word to say there, right?
Okay. Oh my god, why?
No hurry, Inspector. Please do take your time.
Someone went through the red light, Sydney Glass Group. Hey Scotty, check out this wanker. Blocking the pathway for people who are disabled.
Rip your goddamn nuts off with my bare hands!
Call me. So tight. Oh, there's one of my two ones there. Bit big. Oh, fuck's sakes. What the fuck, you? What are you doing, mate? Christ. Are you fucking for real? Jeez, what are you doing, mate?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Got nowhere to go. And this fucking clown. And this idiot too! Oh, wow, John! Cut the corner! Bloody hell!
indication. Oh, after you've already fucking moved over into the lane, you dumb shit.
I say shoot him!
Check the exit.
Oh, you twit. Oh, I like that. Oh no. Oh, right into the bite. Oh, what the fuck are you doing, Holden? Hey, up this one way.
Probably should have said something before, but this saboteur on.
Is special to me in one way or another. I don't do it for the headlines. I just love conversations. Over the past 5 years, we've had well over 5 million downloads, which blows my mind, and the pod has won a swag of awards with Motorsport Australia, Supercars, and Motorsport New Zealand. And that is all because of you good people who listen.
Yay! Well done! Okay, now. Where are they going? Dumb son of a bitch. Yeah, good one. Rip the fucking front off your tongue. Dumb shits.
Could you step out, please? So I figure out what's going on. Ma'am, could you step out of the car, please? No, you're being detained as everyone is during a traffic stop. Since I can't figure out what's going on, we're gonna step out of the car until I figure out what's going on.
Of course, fucking High-Vis wants to give me the finger and act like he's not the one doing something wrong. Seriously, come on, fuck. He's beeping the head off. Look at this truck, look. Just holding us up. Won't let us pass. He's on the fucking phone too.
I got it, good luck. Firing.
Dickhead. Yeah, it's a full meathead. on speakerphone and with his left hand and his elbow on the steering wheel. That's why he's not getting out of the lane. He's too busy having a phone call.
Plastic containers? You being serious? Yes. I don't think I want to stop.
It's kind of a data protection, isn't it?
What the fuck was the point of that?
A few moments later.
Yeah, that would be funny. What the fuck is this guy? Absolutely unbelievable. Fucking idiot. This one dumb son of a bitch.
Here's my books. I have laptops in here. I can pop the
What a
charger.
dick.
Okay, what are we talking about?
This guy.
My stuff in my car.
What about it?
It's messy.
Oh, I don't.
What a cock.
Oh, thank you.
We don't pass judgment.
What an absolute fucking cock. Of course it's a BMW.
We did chain wrestle. And I just sucked it. You know, it was almost like
idiot.
It was crazy because when the
must do everything except slow down and God forbid stop. He's on the wrong side of the fucking road.
My colleague who was just there said you want to film the vehicles that are around the back. You don't need to put your drone. You can go stand up the train, mate. No, that's what I'm actually saying. You obviously want to think yourself of words, and you can manipulate words.
I know words.
What are you doing? Fuckwit? Get out of the fucking way, you idiot. What are you fucking doing? No fucking brains at all? You dickhead. In range now.
I'm giving you permission to touch me.
I don't need your permission. Leave.
Why?
Leave.
You do need my permission.
Leave.
Are we in the state of Ohio, sir?
Leave.
Answer questions. Help me answer questions. You know I know someone at the White House. Call my dad.
Put your hands
Call my
behind your back.
You call my dad.
What's this guy
Call my
doing?
dad now. Call my dad now. No, wait, get my cell phone.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
Please follow. My shop is unlocked.
Another fucking ute needs to be moved.
My shop is unlocked. I just paid for them to get
What is this? Fucking idiot doing? Get the fuck out of the way. This guy's on fucking drugs, man.
Stop.
You fucking retarded or what?
I've been from work and asked
Stop. Stop.
Christ, how many retards and utes can you get on one motorway?
You're hurting me.
Oh, another classic fucking Scotty.
You were recording on.
Invested billions of dollars on this idea. Many different sorts of etc.
I think